was also an emotional moment because we were all discussing about Ukraine. The war in Ukraine, the Russian aggression are clearly also in everybody's mind in the EU. And I think it was remarkable how the industry is mobilized, really. And we launched this platform also to make sure that through the Commission we can channel support. And I think that also the messages we got from the Vice Prime Minister Fedorov was quite optimistic, and I think he sees also EU support in the digital sector as critical to transform the country and to keep people informed, and also to give them public services online through their new application that we helped actually funding. But apart from Ukraine, we had also very important discussions not only about today's challenges on microelectronics, on the cloud, but also about the future. So essentially, the metaverse was a big theme, and there really we could have very interesting insights about how we can also shape the metaverse. It's not too late, and we can actually make it according to our own European digital rights and principles, and I think that's also a great opportunity that we were discussing. Digital Assembly is also about meeting people, getting together and having these informal conversations that are so important to shape our policies. So really looking forward to meeting colleagues and partners very soon again.